Clean up right, the importance of using soap and water. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a simple, yet essential phrase that we all hear often: use soap and water. This phrase is not just about cleanliness. It's a fundamental part of our daily hygiene. So, let's explore what it really means and why it's so important for our health and well-being. The phrase, use soap and water, is a straightforward instruction that you'll encounter in many contexts, especially those related to hygiene and health. It means to clean something, usually your hands, with soap and water. This is the first and most crucial step in removing dirt, germs, and bacteria from your skin. Soap is a cleaning agent that, when used with water, can effectively remove dirt and germs. Water helps to rinse away the soap along with the loosened dirt and germs. This combination is a basic, yet powerful tool in maintaining personal hygiene and preventing the spread of illnesses. You might wonder why the emphasis on using both soap and water. Here's why. Water alone can remove some dirt, but it's not effective against oils and germs on the skin. Soap breaks down grease and dirt, making it easier for water to rinse them away. Together, they kill germs and reduce the risk of diseases, such as the common cold, flu, and even more serious illnesses. This simple practice is a cornerstone of public health and personal hygiene. It's especially crucial in settings like hospitals, kitchens, and public bathrooms, but just as important in our homes. It's essential to use soap and water before and after eating, after using the bathroom, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, when your hands are visibly dirty, after touching pets or other animals, before and after caring for someone sick. This list is not exhaustive, but it highlights the most critical times to ensure your hands are clean. Using soap and water effectively is key to maximizing their benefits. Here's a quick guide. 1. Wet your hands with clean, running water. 2. Apply soap and lather well, covering all parts of your hands, including the backs, between your fingers, and under your nails. 3. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. 4. Rinse your hands thoroughly under clean, running water. 5. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Remember, the 20-second rule is crucial for ensuring that you've adequately cleaned your hands. We hope this video has shed light on the simple, yet profound importance of the phrase, use soap and water. It's a basic practice, but it plays a significant role in keeping us and those around us healthy. Keep this habit strong, and remember, clean hands save lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. Stay healthy, stay clean, and see you in our next video.